wasn't me. It was the wind. Tessa, why are you making that noise?
It's not me. It's the wind.
Sounds like the wind is up to all kinds of tricks today.
It's like the singing flowers in fairy tale land, but spookier. I'll take the flowers in fairy tale land any day. Then come on, let's go to fairy tale land.
Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and you can come along. A special kind of adventure, but first we sing this song. We sing this song. 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 Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and we're extra so excited. So here we go, adventure ho, and everyone's invited.
I'm coming too.
Hey, I can hear the singing flowers.
They're coming from over there, near the castle. Last one of the castle is a stinky sock.
Ew! I don't want to be stinky. Hey, you guys! Wait for me!
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry, I can't stop or I'll be a stinky sock.
Can you spare just a minute?
Not today, Mr. Sheep. Coming through. Excuse me?
My name is Simon, and well, it's just that we need a little help. We're lost, and we don't know how to get home.
Wow.
Please?
Oh, rats. All right, I'll help you. But you've got to be quick.
Oh, thank you.
Come on. How hard can it be to find a sheep field? Maybe someone in the garage will know where to find your field.
Hello, your royal fairy princessness. Are you in need of a pumpkin coach today?
No, not today. Today I'm here for these sheep.
Do your sheep take regular or unleaded gas?
I think they run on grass, not gas. But you still might be able to help them. They're lost.
Completely lost.
Do you know how to get to their field?
Oh, why, yes, of course. The sheep live in the field right along the lane.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Dumpty. Wait. There are lots of fields down that way. Which one is it?
The one way down there near the end. You'll know you're there when you see its red gate.
It'll take forever to walk all the way down there.
Yes, it will. If only there was a quicker way to move your sheep. Ah, well, I'm sure you'll think of something.
Yes! I have an idea. Simon, can you drive?
Sheep make excellent drivers.
Mr. Humpty, do you mind if we borrow these cars?
Be my guest.
Thanks. Well, Simon, there you go. Cars for everyone. So, good luck.
Ma'am, what if we get lost again?
Oh, you won't. Just go all the way to the end of the lane and look for the red gate. Gotta go.
Oh, well, okay.
Did I miss them? Did I miss them? Nope, they're still moving and grooving.
Where have you been, Mia?
Oh, I was helping some lost sheep find their field. That was nice of you.
Which way did she say to go? Maybe it was this way? Uh-oh.
from?
Let's go and find out what's going on. I think I might already know. Uh-oh. What in the name of scratchy sweaters is going on?
I think we got lost. How are we going to get home now? Not only are we lost, but we're in a traffic jam.
Don't worry, I'll help you. I've got a much better idea this time. Instead of all the sheep driving alone in their own cars and making all this noise and smog, I'll take them all home. Ta-da! In a bus.
What a great plan, Mia. They'll all fit in there, no problem.
Right. One bus won't cause all the stinky smog that those cars did. And no more loud engines and honking horns.
All aboard?
Come on, gang!
Next stop, the sheep field.
The sheep on the bus go bye, 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 bye.
There is lots to see on this planet.
That is true, Otherhead. But what should we see first?
Hey, two-headed alien thing. Do you want to play catch?
Oh, yes! I mean, affirmative.
But this head wants to see what those two Earthlings are up to.
But this head's databank says that playing catch is more fun.
My databank thinks your databank is a little bit rusty. Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Why don't we all do something together? Spinning in circles looked fun.
Actually, this head agrees.
So does this one. It is fun. Hee ha, hee hee hee.
Whoa!